Welcome students. Today I will show you how to make two continental salads. One is Russian salad and the other is Waldorf salad. So I will teach you both of these salads. Both of these salads are vegetarian salads and the dressing used in both of these salads is mayonnaise. So first of all, let me introduce you to the ingredients which I will be using for preparing these two salads. Here you can see I have cut small dices, macedon cut of potato, small dices of beans, then I have peas and carrots. Right? So what vegetables I have cut? Potato, carrot, beans and peas. These four vegetables I am going to use for preparing Russian salad. Apart from these vegetables, I will use these fruits. So these are papaya and pineapple. Okay, these two fruits I have chopped in a similar way as I have chopped this vegetable. So I will be using both of these things to prepare the Russian salad. Then afterwards I will add these olives into the salad, black olives and green olives. To flavor the salad, I will put some parsley. So here you can see parsley. To flavor this salad, I will put some parsley and some salt and white pepper powder. So this is the recipe for preparation of Russian salad. Now what I am going to do is, all this vegetable which I have cut, I am going to boil it, blanch it in boiling water for 5 minutes. So here is the boiling water which is already hot. I am going to put this vegetable into this water for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes little soft. Till that time I will show you the ingredients for preparation of Waldorf salad. So Waldorf salad, the word comes from walnuts. So you can see here walnuts, raisins, then mayonnaise, and these same fruits I am going to use again for preparation of Waldorf salad. Okay, no vegetables but just fruits, walnuts, raisins and mayonnaise. This will be flavored with salt and white pepper powder. You can see here. And then I will put in some freshly chopped coriander, or if you have freshly chopped parsley, you can also add that into this salad. So first of all, we will prepare this salad. I will show you. Take a bowl. Take a clean bowl. I have this mayonnaise with me. I will put 2 spoons of mayonnaise. Then I will put some white pepper powder, some salt, and next I will put some fruits. So papaya and pineapple. You use apple also for this thing, but due to summer reason I am not having the apples right now with me. It's summer season going on, so that is the reason I am using these tinned fruits. Otherwise you use apple for a better taste. So I am using pineapple and papaya. Right? You can use apple for this. Then I will put this walnuts and raisins. Okay? Walnuts and raisins. Now I am going to mix it. You see how this salad looks like. Then I am going to chill it in the refrigerator before serving it. Then some chopped coriander. When chilled, this salad looks really good and tastes really beautiful because of the nuttiness of walnuts and the flavor of fruits. Okay, so this salad is ready. I am going to plate it in the plate. You can see how I am plating it. This is how you plate the Waldorf salad. So, isn't it looking beautiful? Fine. So this is Waldorf salad. Now I will show you how to prepare the Russian salad. By the time we were preparing this Waldorf salad, the vegetables must have blanched. So we will take out the vegetables and then I will show you the next step. Start. Okay, so see the vegetables have blanched. So now I am straining these vegetables in a conical strainer. These are blanched. It takes 5 to 7 minutes to blanch these vegetables. Okay. Now I am going to refresh them by putting them in chilled ice water. So here I have the chilled ice water, you can see. I am going to put these vegetables in chilled ice water for refreshing them. Why refresh? Because there is still internal heat inside these vegetables. I want them to cool immediately. So when they will cool immediately, their color will also improve and they will not become further soft. They will remain little firm for the salad. So we have kept them in ice cold water for refreshing for 2 to 3 minutes and then I will take them out. So see, I am just straining it again out of ice cold water to get the vegetables. So I have strained them here to remove the water and I will put them back in the bowl. First I will clean the bowl with a duster. With a clean duster I will clean the bowl. Then I will put these vegetables you can see here all these vegetables. I put them in the bowl. Fine. So here are the vegetables. They have cooled down properly. So now I have taken those vegetables out on a duster so that if there is some water in it, it can also escape from it. We don't want any water in the salad. So I have kept it below a fan and let it dry for a while. Till then I will show you how to prepare the dressing for this salad. So here I am taking mayonnaise for the dressing of the salad. I am using 3 to 4 spoons of mayonnaise. Okay, and then I am going to put up cut fruits in this mayonnaise. Then some white pepper powder, some salt, then some parsley, so here I put in some parsley for the fresh flavor of the herb. Then some olives, I have these olives, black and green. Okay, and the next thing which I am going to put is these vegetables. So these are the vegetables. The water has been completely removed and I am just putting these vegetables in the dressing. And now mix it. Take care not to break any ingredients. See how beautiful this salad looks. It's a combination of vegetables and fruits in flavored mayonnaise dressing. You will get sweet flavor of the fruits and you will get fresh flavors of the vegetables like carrot, peas, beans and potato. All 4 major vegetables which are put in a Russian salad. It's white in color and it looks like a snow, and that is the reason it is known as Russian salad. Served cold. Very nice salad. very healthy option also. Next I am going to plate it. See, see how beautiful it looks like, and all the vegetables have their distinct identity. You can easily spot in this salad what all is put. You can see peas, you can see carrots, you can see fruits, you can see potatoes, beans, everything is visible clearly. Now I will garnish it with few olives. You can even garnish it with cherry if you have. Okay. So here are the two salads which you can see, which both of them have the base dressing as mayonnaise. But both of these salads are quite different. This is Waldorf salad, which is made with walnuts, raisins and apple in mayonnaise dressing, right? And we have put in fresh coriander, or you can also use fresh parsley for flavoring this salad. The second one is Russian salad, in which we have a combination of vegetables like carrot, peas, beans, potato, along with some fruits in a mayonnaise dressing and some olives also. So this taste is different from this one, but both of them use the mayonnaise dressing. That is why they look same. I hope you have enjoyed this, and you will definitely try to make these salads in summer time, especially at your homes. Thank you.